What's going on, everybody? It's been a while, but we're back with another seltzer review. We're doing the Belching Beaver hard seltzer, spiked sparkling water, real fruit, not clear fruit. These are 5.5 percenters. Should be good. I'm gonna start out with the raspberry blackberry. Good looking can. On the top says berry, juicy, refreshing, low carb, vegan, no sugar added, gluten free. So, you know, for all the healthy people out there, being gluten free, no sugar. So right away, you can tell a little more bitter. I feel like that's how you know it's a little more real fruit, I guess. I actually had these last weekend, wakeboarding and wake surfing in Havasu. Picked up the variety pack. I was at Bevmo the day before, searching for that Bud Light Platinum Seltzer. I was thinking of bringing that out there. Couldn't find it, so I saw these bad boys. My boy Jake White, he told me about them. He said they're pretty good. I feel like this is like a real easy drink and doesn't taste too much like the other seltzers. Oh, they have a little message on theirs. Here at the Beeve, we love making beer, but we're packing on the pounds, so we came up with a low carb, no sugar added, easy drinking seltzer made with real fruit. Don't let the color fool you. It's a low carb beverage, and we all know real fruit ain't clear. Cheers, Tom. It says serve cold. Of course, I'm gonna serve cold. Who wants a warm drink? That's just gross. 110 calories, 5.5%, 12 ouncer. There's 2 more flavors in the pack. We'll get to those later at some point. If you're wondering about my shirt, it's the Baseball Isn't Boring from the Bold Statements collection at Watch Momentum. Shout out Trevor Bauer. Dude's probably gonna win a Cy Young. Yeah, we got 2 more flavors coming up. All right, on to the next flavor. Pineapple mango. I think this can might actually be like a misprint, but you know, it's all good. Still the same 110 calories, 5.5%. Same message from Tom. Still vegan, still no sugar added, still gluten free. But this one is a tropical pineapple mango, low carb. You know, damn good times. Belching Beaver. Belching Beaver Brewing, Oceanside, California. Some good stuff. If you haven't been to the Belching Beaver location, I think the one I went to is technically in Vista. It's pretty good. Also, if you've never had the Belching Beaver Nitro Peanut Butter Milk Stout, you are missing out. That stuff is delicious. Again, right away you get that real fruit flavor. Like, this tastes like fresh pineapple juice. It is great. Kind of overpowers the mango flavor, but you know, it's good. Yeah, not too sweet. It's definitely the no sugar added real fruit. Yeah, it feels like you're actually drinking something as opposed to, not necessarily like with like the alcohol content wise, but like it feels like you're drinking something, not just like something that's super watered down. There's 1 more flavor in this variety pack. It's a 3 flavor, 4 cans of each flavor variety pack. I believe it's the passion fruit guava. But we'll get that to you sometime soon. All right, here's the last flavor of the variety pack, the passion fruit and guava. Again, same 110 calories, same 5.5%, still real fruit, not clear fruit. Still vegan, no sugar added, gluten free. This one's tropical, passion fruit, refreshing. Again, still low carb. Yeah, I forget if this one was my favorite of the variety pack or not. But again, always a taste test. Oh yeah, that one. I don't know who first came up with the passion fruit and guava, like add them together, but that's such a good combo. I think I said this before, like pog juice. That's especially like Embassy Sweets in the morning when they have that at the breakfast. Little passion fruit orange guava, undefeated. Yeah, I think they're all good, but I think the blackberry raspberry is a little slightly too bitter, maybe a little too sour, whatever, however you want to say it. I don't know. A little too tart. I don't know. But my ranking for these probably goes the passion fruit guava, then probably the pineapple mango, then the raspberry blackberry. But they're all good. I forget if this was an outrageous price. I think it's the same price as like the regular 12 packs of White Claw, Truly, all that stuff. I don't think it's any different. But yeah, check out Belching Beaver. Great brewery. Tons of good beers. Again, their nitro peanut butter milk stout. Phenomenal. Hard seltzers. They enter the game. Didn't disappoint. I don't know if anyone actually even watches these videos, but if you do, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what else you want, what other seltzers you want to review. If you want me to do beer reviews, I don't know, vodka reviews, whatever. We'll see what happens. I guess we could try to grow the YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I am part of the Rocks in the Outfield podcast, Angels podcast. That's season 1 coming to an end because the Angels most likely are not making the playoffs. It's going to take a goddamn miracle. And then I will be starting the Talking to Atara podcast. I should start it sometime soon just to get like some stuff to talk about out there, but the season is looking like it's not going to happen until January. But they're still working out the details on that. Yeah, clearly I like baseball. I'm wearing a baseball isn't boring shirt. Stanley Cup playoffs going on, the final. Stars Lightning. I'm rooting for the Stars. I don't know. There's 2 ex-Ducks on there. I mean, there's an ex-Duck, or probably at least one on the Lightning, and Pat Maroon, and who knows who else, but I don't know. Glad Stamkos was able to come back for Game 3. He's not playing Game 4, but he isn't ruled out for the whole series. But, you know, sports are back. I'm a Packers fan. Packers are 2-0. They're about to play Sunday Night Football against the Saints. Hoping they do well, you know. I'm not, like, expecting a Super Bowl, but, you know, it'd be fun to get back to the NFC Championship game. I would, if COVID wasn't a thing, I think I'd probably be going out to Tampa to watch the Packers at Bucks game. Because that'd be real fun. Rodgers versus Brady, always fun game. But, you know, COVID's a thing. I'm just rambling on this last flavor, but / end of the video. Again, I don't know if anyone actually watches these things, but comment what you like, comment what you don't like. Let me know. Give some feedback. I guess we're trying to grow the channel. Who cares? Who knows? Doesn't matter. Really, it doesn't matter. Go give Trevor Bauer a subscribe if you haven't already. He's trying to get to 100,000 by the end of 2020. I know he's getting close. Dude's a G. I hope in the offseason the Angels can sign him. That'd be fun. But who knows? Cheers. Drink up. Give us some feedback. Love you all.